It's officially time to open up the PlayStation 5! Hey everybody, Master X 1907 here, aka American Hippie 47 on Twitch.tv. We are finally opening up a PS5 for the first time ever on this channel. After after dropping, oh god, how much did I drop? Let's see. God. So let's see. The subtotal was $615.99. I bought it from Target, which I saved about $15.45. With Florida tax of 7.5%, it came up to $45.04 tax. So I really didn't save much. Saved $30. I spent $30 and least than $30. Giving a grand total of $645.58 total. I used $53 cash, paid $309 on a credit card, and cashed $283.58 on my debit card. Yay! Huzzah! But it's here. It's finally here. They offered me either the console by itself or with Modern Warfare 2. Granted, I really stopped playing Call of Duty back when Call of Duty Black Ops 3 or 4, I forget which one came out for the PS4. That was like my last Call of Duty, but I have Vanguard that I don't touch at all. But, you know, it came with the console for $40 more. Whatever. I spent like $75 on the insurance, which is through Allstate, surprisingly enough, thanks to Target. But not a sponsor. So let's crack this baby open. I would have bought secondhand, but I was scared of the console being banned on the internet. I am still honestly looking for a non-banned digital version of the console, just because I have a good suspicion feeling that over the years it will go up in price more than the physical copy. So sorry about this for a second. Pardon my mess if you see anything dirty for a little bit. Oh god. Here we go. Oh, beautiful. Alright, you see the PlayStation emblem. Cool. We can go from here onwards. And open, and voila. Okay. I know how a lot of people love unboxing videos, so I'm going to try as much as possible to keep it. We got the instruction manual, which is always needed. Quick start guide, which I really don't need. So we're going to put off to the side here. We got our nice official PlayStation 5 controller. So we're going to keep all the plastic and stuff like that, because maybe sometime we'll trade this console in for the PS5 Pro, which I'm excited if they even announce it. We got the power outlet, which kind of looks like the PS4 outlet. I should have never unplugged my PS4 outlet, but whatever. Let's see if I can pull the console out from here. Let me see what this is. What's underneath here? Oh, it's the cord to connect the oh no, it's the dock. Okay, we got a dock. And we got an HDMI cable, which we don't need. We have an HDMI cable already. But they do suggest using the one that comes with the console, supposedly. I don't know. We'll decide that later. you know. We'll figure that out in a little bit. But we're going to keep everything nice and neat over here to the side. Pardon the mess if you saw something. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, baby, come here. Oh, baby, come here. Oh, it's so tough to get. It's so tough to get out. By the way, I'm filming on my brand new S23 Ultra. Oh, goodness. Hello. Welcome to my world. Sorry about the mess. Man. We are finally in the next generation of consoles, folks. After about 4 years, or no, 3 years of this console being out. Well, 2.5 almost. Yeah, I will be. This console wanted to take a ride right there, folks. Oh man, oh man. This is why you don't do an unboxing one-handed. Ha ha ha. Oh baby. Oh baby, we can't delete that. Oh man, it looks so beautiful. So, yep. That's my ps5 for you guys. I got the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 bundle, which I'll be doing the digital code for to possibly be playing it. But other than that, it's going to sit like that right over here. Right in this lovely section right here. And hopefully it won't take up as much room. It doesn't take up that much room. Not that much at all. Say hi to my little dragon friend right there. So he overwatches. He watches me play video games all the time on twitch.tv/AmericanHippie47. And yeah, we're going to put it together. And tomorrow afternoon, we're going to play some. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.